Hello everyone, welcome to our math class. In today's class, we are going to do the chapter construction. So let's start. The question is, draw a circle of radius 6 cm, mark a point P outside the circle at a distance of 10 cm from the center. Construct a pair of tangents from the point P to the given circle. Measure and write down the length of one tangent. Okay, so that means here first we have to draw a circle of radius 6 cm. Okay, so that means here I am going to take a radius 6 cm. So with the help of scale, let us measure 6 cm. Okay, so this is 6 cm. So first we are going to draw a circle of radius 6 cm. So this is our circle of radius 6 cm. Okay, and this point is our center O. Okay, now next we have to mark a point P 10 cm from the center. Okay, so that means this is our point P that lies 10 centimeter from the center. So this is 10 centimeter. This is our point P. Okay, let us draw a line segment of 10 centimeter, and this is point P. Okay, so we have to draw a pair of tangent from this point P. Okay, so to draw a tangent, first is we have to draw a perpendicular bisector of OP. Okay, and as we know that how to draw a perpendicular bisector. Okay, so first we have to take a compass, the length little more than half the length of OP. Okay, this is already done. This is 6 centimeter and length of OP is 10 centimeter. So this is little more than half of OP. Okay, so that means from point P we can cut this circle. Okay, so let us draw the perpendicular bisector of OP. So this is our perpendicular bisector of OP, and here this point is, let us mark this as M. Okay, now taking M as a center and MO or MP both are equal, so we can measure this as a radius. Okay, let us draw another circle. So this is another circle. Okay, now this circle intersect our given circle at 2 points. This point is A and this point is B. Okay, now join PA and PB. These are our required tangent. Okay, so this is our first tangent PA and PB, and this is our PA. This is our second tangent. Okay, this is our second tangent. Okay, last part of the question is measure and write down the length of one tangent. Actually, the length of both the tangents are equal because tangents from the same point are always equal in length. Okay, so let us measure. Actually, this PA is equal to PB. Both are tangent from same point P. Okay, so let us measure this. Okay, this is 8 centimeter. So this length is 8 centimeter. Okay, sometime you may ask to verify this length. Okay, for that, if you want to verify this, what you have to do is first you have to draw or join OA. Okay, if you have to verify this. Okay, join OA. Okay, when you join OA, this is a radius and this is a tangent, and the angle between the radius and a tangent is always 90 degree. Okay, angle between radius and tangent is always 90 degree. So here this length we know this is 10 centimeter. Okay, and this is a radius 6 centimeter. So by using Pythagoras theorem in this right triangle, you will easily get PA as 8 centimeter. Okay, the question is, draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter. Construct two tangents to this circle so that the angle between them is 60 degree. Okay, that means first we have to construct or draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter. Okay, and we have to construct two tangents, okay, like this, and the angle between this tangent is 60 degree. Okay, so to construct this type of tangents, what we have to do is, okay, so this is our circle with center O. First we have to draw radius. Okay, as we know that suppose this PA and PB are two tangents, that means these angles are always 90 degree, angle between radius and tangents. Okay, now we can easily calculate these angles. Okay, so as this AOBP is a quadrilateral, and we know that sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Okay, that means this angle A 90 plus angle O plus this angle B 90 plus angle P 60. Adding all this will get 360. Okay, so by calculating we'll get angle O is equal to 120 degree. Okay, so that means this is our 120 degree. Okay, now by taking the help of this angle O and angle B or angle A, we'll construct these tangents. Okay. Okay, let's start. First, we are going to draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter. Okay, so let's measure this 5 centimeter. Okay, using the scale. So this is our 5 centimeter radius. Okay, let us draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter. Okay, so this is our circle. Okay, this is circle of radius 5 centimeter, and this is our center O. Okay, now we are going to draw one radius first. Okay, so first I am going to draw this radius. Okay, radius, so let us name this as B. Okay, so that means we know that this angle is 90 degree and here the angle is 120 degree. Okay, so let us construct this angle. Okay, first from B I am going to construct 90 degree angle. So for 90 degree angle, what we have to do is first make a semicircular arc here. 90 degree angle is the bisection. Okay, it is the bisection of angle 60 degree and angle 120 degree. That means we are going to make first 60 degree and 120 degree. Okay, now the bisection of this angle, so that means I'll put the compass at 120 degree and make one arc here. Okay, so similarly I'll put the compass at 60 degree and make another arc here. So this is our 90 degree. Okay, so this is our 90 degree. Let us draw a line. Okay, so here this is our 90 degree from point B. Okay, okay, actually this is our first tangent. Okay, as we know that the central angle, so this angle is 120 degree, angle O. Okay, so from here we are going to construct 120 degree angle. So this is first semicircle. Now from here, okay, from here it is 60 degree, and from here, sorry, it is 120 degree. Okay, so we got our 120 degree. So let us draw a radius from this point. So this is our point A. So second tangent is from point A. Okay, so here also we are going to make 90 degree angle. Okay, so for 90 degree we already did. Okay, so first we draw one semicircular arc. Okay, then this is 60 degree, this is 120 degree. Now for 90 degree, first we'll make arc from this 60 degree and another arc from 120 degree to cut the previous arc. So this is our 90 degree. Okay, so let us draw another tangent here. Okay, so this is our second tangent. Okay, sorry. Now this is our second tangent, and this point is P. Okay, so PA and PB are two tangents. So required tangents are PA and PB are required tangents. Okay, now let us measure this. This angle must be 60 degree. Okay, so with the help of protractor I am going to measure this angle. Okay, so let's measure this angle. So here we got exactly 60 degree. Okay, now the next question. Construct an equilateral triangle ABC with side 6 cm. Draw a circle circumscribing the triangle ABC. That means here first we have to draw an equilateral triangle of side 6 cm. That means first we will draw a base BC. Now we can draw equilateral triangle in two ways. Okay, first is either we can draw a 60-degree angle here and here, then join these two side, then our will get a point A. This is our equilateral triangle. Or we can do another method just by first drawing a base BC and then measure the length BC. Okay, and draw one arc here from point B and another arc to cut this arc from point C. So this is our point A, and then join this, we will get our equilateral triangle. Okay, so these are the two ways to draw an equilateral triangle. Okay, so after drawing an equilateral triangle, we have to draw the circle circumscribing the triangle. That means we have to draw this type of circle. Okay, now let's start. So first I'll draw a base BC. Okay, base BC of 6 centimeters. So this is our base BC of 6 centimeters. So this is BC 6 centimeter. Now to draw an equilateral triangle, first we measure this side by using compass. Okay, so this is our side of a triangle 6 centimeter. So one arc here and another arc from point B to cut the previous arc. So another arc here. So this is our point A. Okay, now let us join AB and AC. So let us join first AB and AC. So this is our triangle, equilateral triangle ABC. Okay, now to draw circumscribing circle, first we have to find a circumcircle, and circumcircle is a perpendicular bisector of all the three sides of a triangle. Okay, so that means we are not going to draw all the three perpendicular bisector, but we are going to make only two perpendicular bisector. Okay, so this is the first one. I am going to draw perpendicular bisector of BC. Okay, so to draw a perpendicular bisector, we have to measure a compass little more than half the side of side. Okay, so this is done. So one arc here, another arc here. Okay, so now from point B to cut this arc. So one here, one here. So this is our first perpendicular bisector, that is perpendicular bisector of BC. Okay, this done. Now I am going to draw a perpendicular bisector of AC. Okay, you can either draw the perpendicular bisector of AB also. Okay, so this is one arc and another arc here. Now from point A, so this cut here and then this cut here. Okay, so let us extend this arc little bit so that this point of intersection should be clearly visible. Okay, so now this is our perpendicular bisector of AC. Okay, so these two points meet at here. Okay, so this point be O. Okay, and this is our center. Now O as a center and OA, OB or AOC, any of this length as radius, we can draw a circle. Okay, so this is our required circle. Okay, let us draw this circle. So this is our circumscribing circle. Okay, a circle circumscribing an equilateral triangle ABC of side 6 centimeter. Now the next question. Construct a triangle ABC with BC equal to 6.5 centimeter, AB equal to 5.5 centimeter, and AC equal to 5 centimeter. Construct the incircle of a triangle ABC. Okay, here we have to construct incircle. Measure and record the radius of the incircle. Okay, so let's start. So first we'll draw the triangle. Okay, here in triangle all the three sides are given. That means we can take any of its sides as base. Okay, so I'm going to take BC as a base. Okay, so BC is 6.5 centimeter. So I'm going to take BC as 6.5 centimeter. So this is our first base, 6.5 centimeter. Okay, so this is base BC. Now we are going to mark AB as 5.5 centimeter. Okay, so with the help of scale I am going to measure 5.5 centimeter. Okay, so this is our 5.5 centimeter. So this is from point B. Okay, point B, let us make an arc here. Okay, so this is arc of length 5.5 centimeter. Now AC has 5 centimeter. So again I am going to measure 5 centimeter with the help of scale. So this is our 5 centimeter. Okay, so I'll make an arc from point C to cut the previous arc. So this point is our A. Okay, so we got point A. Now join BA and BC. So this is our triangle. Okay, so first part is done. This is triangle ABC. Now we have to draw a incircle. To draw a incircle, first we need to draw a angular bisector of any two of its angle. Okay, so I'll take angle B and angle C. Okay, so first I'm going to draw angular bisector of angle B, for which we have to bisect angle B. That means first taking B as a center, draw an arc to cut both the arms of angle B. Okay, so now from this point I'll make another arc, this arc, and from this point we'll make another arc to cut the previous arc. So this is our angular bisector of angle B. So this is angular bisector of angle B done. Okay, now we are going to draw an angular bisector of angle C. Okay, the process are same. First taking C as a center, make an arc to cut both the arms of angle C, and then taking this point as a center, okay, compass at this point, make another arc again from this point, make another arc. Okay, so this is the angular bisector of angle C. Okay, so let us draw this angular bisector. Okay, now here these two angular bisector meet here, so this can be taken as center. Okay, now we will draw a radius. Okay, so to draw a radius we have to draw a perpendicular from this point to BC or any of its sides. Okay, so we will draw a perpendicular to side BC. For that, first we need to take these compass at this point, and then we are drawing a perpendicular to BC, means to draw a arc to cut BC at 2 points. Okay, like this. Okay, so BC at 2 points. So that means these are the point. Okay, we have cutted BC at 1 point here and another point here. Okay, so now from this point draw another arc here. Okay, one arc here and one arc here to cut this arc. Okay, so this point. So this is our perpendicular to BC from the center O. Okay, so this is here. So this point let us mark as M. Okay, so OM is the radius. Now draw a circle. So taking O as a center and OM as a OM as a radius. Okay, here OM as a radius. Let us draw a circle. So this is our incircle. Okay, let us complete this circle. So this is our incircle. Okay, now let us measure the radius. Radius is OM. So OM is, it is 1.6 centimeter. Okay, so OM radius OM is equal to 1.6 centimeter. Now the question is, construct a regular hexagon of side 4 centimeter. Construct a circle circumscribing the hexagon. Okay, here regular hexagon means a hexagon is a 6-sided figure. Okay, and regular means all the 6 sides are of equal length, and here the equal length is of 4 centimeter. Okay, so first I am going to draw the first side of our hexagon, that is 4 centimeter. Okay, so this is first side AB. Okay, and as we know that each angle of regular hexagon is of 120 degree, so I am going to construct 120 degree from point B as well as A. Okay, so this is how, as we all know how to construct 120 degree angle. Okay, so this is first arc, so this is 60 degree, and this is, sorry, and this is 120 degree. Okay, similarly from point A also, okay, 120 degree angle. So this is first arc, and then this is 60 degree, and this is 120 degree. Okay, so we are going to draw second side and third side, that is of length 4 centimeter. Okay, so this is 4 centimeter and 120 degree angle. So this is our first second side. Okay, this is second side, and this is third side. Okay, this is our third side. Okay, now again we are going to construct 120 degree angle from this point as well as from this point. Okay, so first here 120 degree angle, so this, and then this is 60 degree, and this is 120 degree, and again from this point also. Okay, so from this point, first this is 60 degree, and this is 120 degree. Now let us draw a line segment. Okay, now this is 4 centimeter, another side of polygon, hexagon actually. Okay, so this is another side. Okay, here I am using a scale, so because of that I may not get the exact side, but here I am getting the exact 4 centimeter. Okay, so sometimes we did not get the exact 4 centimeter, that will be okay. A, B, C, D, E, F. So this is our regular hexagon. Okay, now we are going to draw a circle circumscribing this hexagon. Okay, so for that first we need to find the circumcenter. Okay, that means we are going to draw a perpendicular bisector of any two of its sides. Okay, so I am going to draw a perpendicular bisector of side BC and CD. Okay, so that means how to draw a perpendicular bisector, we know that. Okay, first we have to measure a compass little more than half the length of this side. Okay, and draw one arc here and another arc here. Okay, so from point C let us cut both the arc. Okay, this is first perpendicular bisector, and this is the bisector of side BC. Now second, I'm going to draw a perpendicular bisector of CD. Okay, so this is CD. So this, we can take the same length because all the sides are of equal length. So this is from C and from D. Okay, so this is perpendicular bisector of side CD. Now let us draw this line segment. So the point where these two perpendicular bisector intersect is the center of our circle, that is circum-circle. Okay, circumcenter. Okay, now taking O as a center, now measure any of this length. Okay, OE, OD, all are equal, all are radius. Okay, so now taking this as a radius, OE as a radius, now draw a circle. So this circle is our required circle. Okay, so this is our required circle. Okay, now the question is, construct an inscribing circle of regular hexagon of side 5.8 centimeter. So let's start. Okay, first we are going to construct a regular hexagon of side 5.8 centimeter. So I am going to draw a first side of regular hexagon, that is of 5.8 centimeter. So this is our first side, 5.8. Okay, now okay, let us name this as A, B. Okay, now as we know that each angle of regular hexagon is 120 degree, so I am going to construct 120 degree angle from both the end point. So this is our first 120 degree angle from point B. Okay, so we all know how to construct 120 degree angle. So again from point A, this is 120 degree angle. So this is 60 degree and this is 120 degree angle, and the side of hexagon is 5.8 centimeter. So let us draw 5.8 centimeter side. Okay, so this is first side, sorry, this is second side, 5.8 centimeter, sorry, 5.8, this is 5.8 centimeter here. Okay, so this is 5.8 centimeter, and from here also 5.8 centimeter. Okay, now again 120 degree angle from both the point. Okay, so here first 120 degree angle. So this is first arc, this is 60 degree and this is 120 degree, sorry, 60 degree and this is 120 degree, and similarly from this point also. Okay, so this is first arc, then this is 60 degree and then this is 120 degree, and again 5.8. Okay, so this is our another side, 5.8. so this is another side and this is also another side, 5.8. Okay, this is another side. Okay, now let us join this side. Okay, I am not getting the exact because I am using the sketch here. Okay, so this is our last side. Okay, let us name it A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, now to draw the incircle, first we need to draw a angular bisector of any two angle. Okay, so I am drawing an angular bisector of angle A and angle B. Okay, here the first arc is already there. Okay, actually we already had angular bisector because both are 120 degree and its angular bisector lies on 60 degree. So we already have 60 degree here. Okay, So let us draw this angular bisector 60 degree. So this is our first angular bisector, and then this is our second angular bisector. Okay, so we already have so okay, this point is our center. Okay, let us name this as O. Okay, now we have to draw a radius. Okay, radius means now we have to draw a perpendicular from O to AB. Okay, so that means for that what we'll do is first we'll take O, compass at O, and then draw an arc to cut both, draw an arc to cut both chord AB at 2 point. Okay, so here this arc which chord AB at 2 point. Okay, so here this arc chord AB at 2 point, here 1 point and here another point. Okay, now from this point okay, from this point let us draw two arcs to intersect each other. Okay, so one arc here and then another arc. Okay, from the same point, sorry, from this point another arc. Okay, wait, okay, another arc here. Okay, so that means this is a perpendicular to AB from center O. Okay, and this point, okay, this point let us name it as M, and this OM is our radius. Okay, now taking OM as a radius, let us draw a circle, and which is our required circle. Okay, so now okay, this is our radius. Okay, let's measure it exactly and draw a circle. So this is our inscribed circle. Here as you can see that I did not get the exactly inscribed circle because here I am using a sketch pen. But when you do your construction with pencils, you will get this type of figure. You may not get the exact correct figure, but your construction work, that means all these arcs should be clearly visible. Okay? So this much for today. If you have any doubt on any topic or a chapter, you can comment us below. We are going to make a video on that topic. Okay? So all the best. Keep watching and keep practicing. Thank you very much.